सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment. 1074 places through NTV and 29 places two-way Nayana Diksha in 253 cities in 24 countries. First question, Swamiji, can you correlate what happens in inner awakening with relation to entanglement, entrainment and enlightenment? The moment you decide you want to do inner awakening, entanglement starts. The moment you sign the intention form, entanglement starts. The moment you enter our reception center, welcome center and get banged, entrainment starts. And the moment you sit in front of me and screen opens, enlightenment starts. Understand? The moment you think you want to attend the inner awakening, entanglement starts, because immediately the connection. After that, making it into reality is my responsibility. Avanarulale avantal vanangi. Only by His grace you can even remember Him. Unless you have His grace, you can't even remember Him, connect with Him. So the moment you decide you want to attend inner awakening, be very clear, already my blessings are there on you. Unless my blessings are there on you, you can't even think you want to do inner awakening. You can't even remember you want to do inner awakening. The moment you fill the intention form, you officially authorize me to enter into your life and alter all the situations, open all the doors and make the possibilities for you to come into the inner awakening program. My grace is always flowing in all directions. But grace is always very shy to enter. Can I enter? Will He feel I'm intruding? Will He feel my privacy is disrespected? Please understand, many times God is waiting to help you, but He is afraid if He comes inside, you may shout, who asked you to help? Who are you to interfere? He is afraid because many times you have said this. When God stretches His hand, you say, I may die, but I will not take your help. You have your own theories, understandings, concepts. So when you have this mental setup, this kind of mentality, this kind of suffering, this kind of self-torturing mind, He waits for your permission. Even to grace you, He asks, may I come in? Intention form, signing the intention form is just saying, come in. Then grace just rushes so that He can alter all the situation and arrangements and make all the possibilities open. So the moment you sign the intention form, entanglement starts. The moment you come to our welcome center and get banged, entrainment starts. And the moment you sit in front of me, enlightenment starts. The politics. In that field, even your own mentor, your own teacher becomes competitor for you. That is why all the mentors and teachers, they always keep their students one level low. At some point, if he catches your seat, you can't even get it back. So much of insecurity. But there are some leaders who are leaders just by making more and more and more people leaders. Krishna is of that type. He says, when you understand, I am not affected by the object, nor by the result. I am not affected by the object of an action, nor by the result of the action. You will realize you are also not affected by the object of action or result of the action. I wanted to explain this word ensnared. How you are caught by the idea your life is suffering or confusion. I tell you, you don't understand. You are constantly standing up, that is why you are constantly falling. If you are not standing up, you will not be falling. You say, no, 100 times I fell. Fool, don't you see 101 times you stood up? If you have not stood up 101 times, you wouldn't have fallen 100 times. Means, if you don't have the inner space which automatically heals itself, you will not even be able to stand this whole torture or suffering called life. Your inner space has an automatic healing mechanism. Whether it is a body related or mind related, any hit, one night if you sleep and come out of the sleep, you are out. You are out of the problem. You are clear. Fortunately, you don't have memory power. That's the right word I'll use. Because all your hurt automatically is forgotten. You stand up again. Your innate system, you by the very nature you are built for again and again rejuvenating yourself. But when you start believing again and again you are hit by life, you ensnare yourself. Ensnared by lies, ensnared by depression. I studied thousands of people and their minds were depressed. I tell you, 100% everybody's depression is based on only one thought. If I get depressed, what will happen? No, really. Please understand. Honestly, I am telling you, with the responsibility I am telling you, if you just remove one thought, if I get depressed, what will happen? You will not have depression, I promise. Just avoid that one word, one idea. What will happen if I fall into depression? Drop the anxiety of anxiety, fear of fear, depression of depression. You are saved. Please understand, whenever Bhagavan declares his glory, he is not declaring out of pride, he is declaring out of tremendous compassion. He is not self-glorification. He is uttering these words with tremendous compassion and love for you to experience the same state, for you to achieve the same state. And if he says, I am like this, but you can never become like this, then you can say it's a pride, ego, arrogance. But he says very beautifully, the moment you understand I am like this, you will also become like me. See the tremendous compassion. He is revealing the sacred secrets, referring his own life as an example. Please understand, he is not talking proudly about himself. He is referring to his own glory, to raise you to that glory with tremendous compassion and the truth. I bless you all who are sitting with us around the world at this moment, 1030 places through NTV, 29 places in two-way video conferencing, in 238 cities, in 26 countries. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nithyananda. Thank you.